Ah, what a beautiful day here, honey. Yeah, it's time to go to work. Man, I hate work. I hate getting. I hate going to work so early. Man, now I have to go get ready for work. I have to go get ready for work. Let's put on my regular clothes. Oh shoot, I forgot to eat breakfast. I'll have some bread. I'll have a tomato. Bye. Man, I hate going to work so early. Bye-bye. Children! Children! Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Mom, you scared me. Me too. Well, today is your first day. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Well, anyways, it's your first day of school, guys. Yay! I want to go to school. No, I'm not going to go to school. Sorry, but you still have to go to school. School, stupid. And it's so boring, and Miss Anderson is stupid.